Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer property tax deductions from Zillow statements, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Zillow account. Navigate to the Your Listings section of the website. Locate the property for which you want to transfer tax deductions. Click on the property listing to open the detailed view. Scroll down to find the property tax information. Take note of the assessed value and the tax rate listed on the page. Open a new browser tab and access your local tax assessor's website. Look for your specific property using the search functionality provided. Verify the assessed value and tax rate to ensure accuracy. Record any relevant details that may impact your tax deductions. Next, gather your home mortgage statement from your lender. Open the statement and locate the year-to-date property tax payments made. Take note of the total amount paid in property taxes for the year. Now, open a tax preparation software or your tax documents. Enter the total amount of property taxes paid based on what you recorded. Include the assessed value for additional context if required by the software. Cross-reference with IRS guidelines to ensure proper eligibility for deductions. Complete the rest of your tax return, ensuring all property-related deductions are included. Review your entries for accuracy before finalizing your tax return. Save and print a copy of your tax return for your records. Finally, you can file your tax return electronically or by mail as preferred. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.